In this video, I'm revealing the 3 digital products I'd sell right now if I had 0 followers and no money to spend on ads. Beginners are having huge success selling these products because they are built around existing buyer demand, so you don't need an audience to sell them, and these products can be put together in a weekend using AI with no previous experience needed. Now, I'm not just listing product ideas here. I'm doing a deep dive into specific sales strategies for each one so that by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start getting sales fast. Now, the first digital product in our list answers the most common question I get from customers, which is, what is the easiest digital product for a beginner to make sales fast? This is a product that can be generated in a day using AI. It has a built-in audience that it can start getting sales from day one. However, the unique thing about this product that makes it so beginner-friendly is that you don't need a website, sales funnel, or even content to make it work. The first zero-audience product to sell are niche Kindle recipe guides for cooking machines sold on Amazon. Now, there is a specific formula that is getting sales fast with this strategy, but first, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. About a week ago, I went on Amazon to buy my wife an ice cream maker by the brand Ninja. Now, I say this was a gift for my wife, but really it was for me. As I searched for the machine, I kept getting results for ice cream guides specifically written for the Ninja ice cream maker. As I went through the checkout process, Amazon recommended even more guides to add to my purchase. The one that caught my eye was a low-carb recipe Kindle book that I added to my cart when I checked out. You see, that's the real secret to this formula. Niche device plus niche diet equals money. Start out by finding the top-selling cooking machines on Amazon. Some examples are bread makers, air fryers, pizza ovens, or ice cream makers. You can target the general category like ice cream makers, or target specific devices like Ninja's ice cream maker. The more specific you go, the less competition you'll have and the higher your conversions will be. However, you're capturing less traffic because the search volume is smaller. Now, when you combine this with a niche diet plan like low carb, vegan, carnivore, gluten-free, or low FODMAP, the combinations are endless. And since AI can build these so quickly, you can create multiple recipe guides and list them all to capture even more traffic. Listing them with Amazon KDP, and you can get your recipe guide both on Kindle and as a physical book with their print-on-demand service. The trick is to optimize your title and the Amazon listings for the right keyword. You want to use the original product name and the diet niche as much as possible in your title and in the listing. Now, the best part of this strategy is Amazon handles everything. Like I said in the beginning, there is no sales page to build, no funnel to create, and not even a shopping cart. You just build them, list them, and sell them. These Kindle books are so fast to create with AI, you can usually put them together in a day. And when you follow the simple formula of niche device plus niche diet, it's easy to capture both search traffic on Amazon and get recommended in the checkout page of the device you're targeting. Now, selling digital products on marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy make it super easy to get started because they handle listing pages, payments, and even send you organic customers. It's a massive opportunity, and I'll be releasing more videos on how you can create fast products specifically for these marketplaces. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. The problem with these marketplaces is that AI has made it so easy for anyone to create and sell digital products fast. That's a problem because as things get easier, it also gets more competitive on these marketplaces. And so the next product on our list is something you can build outside those marketplaces so it's much less competitive and you can charge a much higher price, which makes your customer value a lot higher while still stealing buyer traffic from other products. The number 2 product I'd create if I had to start over with 0 followers are printable add-ons for popular courses. I like to call these sidecar products because they're like selling a sidecar for a motorcycle. You see, online courses have exploded in recent years. Practically every niche influencer is selling them. Customers are investing thousands of dollars to enroll in these courses, and this strategy is to sell them cheaper add-ons that help them get the most out of that investment. These are products that are easy to produce with AI, provide real value, and as you'll see in a second, are easy to sell because you can get them in front of proven buyers fast. First, how do we create these add-on products? Well, step 1 is to pick the right niche, what I call an identity niche. Identity niches are when someone's passion for something is so strong, it becomes part of their identity. When you find an identity niche, you'll have an audience that buys everything you put in front of them and will buy from you repeatedly. An example of an identity niche are vegans. They don't say, I don't eat meat. They say, I'm a vegan. Or in the fitness world, you have CrossFitters who never say, I do CrossFit. It's always, I'm a CrossFitter. You can find identity sub-niches in basically any niche. I'm an influencer, I'm a woodworker, I'm a surfer, I'm an affiliate marketer. Now, hands down, the best identity niche for you to choose is the one you personally identify with the most. You'll have way deeper insights into what those customers want, and you'll enjoy the process way more if you're building a digital product business around something you're already passionate about and identify with. Now, step 2 is to find top-selling courses in that niche. The more popular the course, the bigger the audience we will have to sell to. This is especially true if the creator of that course has a big audience themselves on YouTube or other social media platforms. Step 3 is to create sidecar products for that course. Use AI to create simple, printable add-ons for the course that will help their customers see results faster and easier. Let's say you're targeting a popular fitness course or a system like CrossFit. You can produce workout calendars, meal planners, and progression journals that help them track their workouts and results. Or let's say you're targeting a popular personal development program. You can create step-by-step workbooks, printable checklists, summary sheets, and journaling prompts. If you're targeting a popular make money program, you can produce content posting calendars, guides, templates, checklists. Really, the possibilities are endless. The important thing is not to create general workout guides or general content calendars. They need to be built specifically around the course you've chosen, because that's going to make it so much easier to get your product in front of proven buyers. Now, how do we actually sell these sidecar products fast? The way we're going to do that is create and rank simple YouTube videos around the niche course that we chose in step 2. These can be review videos, advice videos, and summary videos related to the course. The important thing is that our videos get views from people who have bought or are thinking of buying that primary course. This means we're not only targeting people who are passionate about your niche, we're getting our videos in front of proven buyers who are investing money on high-ticket courses. In your videos, show off the printable products you've built and demonstrate how to use them to get results faster and easier when going through their course. Just by demonstrating your printable and offering it to them at the end of your video is enough to convert at least 1% of the viewers to buy, because each viewer is already super targeted. Just imagine every video you put out on YouTube lands you one sale for every 100 views. Now, if you want to build a real brand in that niche and multiply your sales, I'd recommend giving away a sample pack of your printables to collect emails and then promoting more products weekly with email blasts. Freebies can convert as high as 5 to 10% of your viewers into leads, giving you the opportunity to promote new offers over email each week. That can be a combination of your own products as well as affiliate offers paying you big commissions. Altogether, a lead funnel can earn you 5 to 10 times as much as just selling one product directly. If you need a lead funnel to help sell your products or generate affiliate sales, you can get the one that I use for free. Click the link in the description, enter your email, and I'll send it to you. Okay, so the first 2 strategies depend on buyer search traffic from other people's products. Maybe you're looking to build a digital product brand without attaching yourself to someone else's. Well, the third product strategy is perfect for you, because not only does this strategy leverage online marketplaces to generate fast sales without relying on other people's audiences, I'll show you how to use it to land high-ticket sales and coaching clients and build a real long-term brand. The third strategy is selling done-for-you Canva templates for niche markets. Now, I'm not talking about the generic graphic packs that are a dime a dozen. This is a specific strategy that is absolutely crushing it right now and allows you to sell templates at a premium price to repeat buyers and opens the door to convert those buyers into long-term, high-ticket clients. Listen, the biggest problem that both template buyers and sellers have is that there are just too many different templates and design packs out there to choose from. However, that pain point becomes our advantage. Maybe you can relate to this problem. As a content creator myself that is building a personal brand and works with a number of clients, I'm always looking for graphics templates and thumbnail templates to speed up my workflow and deliver the content and results that I need fast. The problem is there are just too many generic options, and it's difficult to find exactly what I need to solve the problem I'm working on for a client. This strategy works by picking a money niche and designing templates that solve one specific pain point for that niche. Now, money niches are customers that stand to earn money with the templates you sell them. Some niches that I've had the most success with in the past are real estate agents, finance influencers, chiropractors, fitness coaches, restaurant owners, and roofers and home service companies. Probably the biggest goldmine niche to target with templates are freelancers and agency owners, which I'll get to in a second. First, let me give you some examples of what we're going to build for these customers. Once you've picked the money niche you want to sell to, ask this simple question. What ongoing pain are people in this niche looking for a solution to? Ongoing is the keyword here. We don't want to target a pain point that can be solved once. We want a pain point that they will have to pay us to solve over and over again. Let me give you some examples. A top one is thumbnail templates for real estate YouTubers. Real estate YouTubers need to create a new thumbnail for every video. They can't use generic templates or their video won't stand out and get clicks. Create unique, specific templates for them to use, and you'll have a customer for life. Or how about presentation templates for financial influencers? Finance influencers need to create videos quickly to stay on top of trends and trades. They need charts, they need diagrams and explainer templates to create their content. Or Instagram reel templates for restaurants. Restaurant owners need to produce new content on their Instagram daily. They need new promotions for every holiday and are more than happy to pay for specific, proven templates that'll help them create their content faster. Now, another example can be Facebook ad templates for chiropractors. In fact, every business needs to keep coming up with fresh angles in their ad campaigns, and if you can provide specific templates in their niche, it's worth it for them to pay a premium instead of just trying to adapt some generic template they find on Google to fit their campaign. Now, I mentioned before how freelancers and agencies are like a hidden gold mine with this strategy, and that's because every other niche template you create can be sold to freelancers for 10 times the price. Simply take the templates you might build for real estate agents or influencers or restaurants and then sell an agency or reseller license to them so freelancers can earn money creating content for that same target audience. This simple positioning can double or even triple the revenue you generate from each template you create. Okay, so you have a money niche and templates that solve a recurring problem for that niche. How do we get fast sales and turn those sales into bigger paychecks? Well, there are 3 fast sales strategies that are working for us and our students right now. First is really easy, and it's creating a template shop on Etsy. Canva template shops are getting tons of sales right now because they are ranking in search quickly, and Etsy handles all the payment processing and delivery for you. The trick is to build your storefront and optimize for your target audience's search terms. The second strategy that is working surprisingly well for our students is posting samples of your templates on Pinterest with the right buyer keywords. These pins get ranked in Google Images and attract buyers. They also capture buyers from Pinterest itself because a lot of potential customers are searching on Pinterest for ideas and brainstorms before they create their ad campaigns and content. Now, the third strategy is to create YouTube and social media content targeting search terms for the pain points your templates solve. For example, a quick tutorial on YouTube on how to create thumbnails for real estate channels can capture high intent search traffic. Then at the end of the video, you simply sell your templates as a faster solution than doing it themselves. Now, the most important thing, if you want to grow a real brand in business, is to capture these buyers as leads to nurture them and turn them into long-term customers that buy from you every single month with the right sales funnel. Now, normally to build a funnel, you have to build a high converting landing page. You need to warm up the email leads so your messages get delivered to their priority inbox. And then you gotta have the right sales sequence to close the deal. Now, that can be hard if you're not experienced with email marketing. I've put together a complete funnel that we not only use to generate sales in our own business, but our affiliates have used to generate over 2.5 million with this exact same funnel. You can download it by clicking the link in the description and putting in your email. Okay, so right now you have 3 digital product ideas that will sell. You have a funnel that will get you leads and convert them into sales. If you want a deeper dive into the sales strategy that we're using to generate sales without needing an audience, I created a video that shows you exactly how to do that. Click here to watch that video now.